Alright, internet, we're about to change the battery for another time. Now here we have the battery, a new battery I just filled, Phillips screwdriver, Torx screwdriver and a flat screwdriver. That's all the tools you need. I'm going to remove 3 of these screws, 1, 2 and 3, and that will remove this cover because the battery's under there. Alright, here we go. Hope you can see this. I'm going to undo this one. I'm taking off this cover because the battery is under here, and I'm replacing the battery yet again. So there's 3 of these. I only take out 2. The third one can stay where it is. Same one's up here. Okay, so here's the battery. Now, there's a trick to getting this battery cover off. So you put a screwdriver under here and you lift up, and you flick it out. Come on, out you come. There we go. Battery cover off. And we grab hold of the battery and we pull it out. Pull it out, and I have to undo this one. So undo the first screw. So you can tell I've done this a few times before. Yeah, screw it out, and then I can grab hold of it and pull it out the battery the rest of the way. He says, there you go. And there is the second. There's the second screw, and we can take that off. So we're undoing the second one. Screw out, battery out, and that was an X-side battery. Alright, so this is the new battery. Let's say whatever that says, whatever that says. So we start off with the positive connection. We're going to put the screw through, and we're going to place it on there, and we're going to screw it in with our fingers to begin with. There we go. Screwdriver. That one in there, get it nice and tight, but not too tight. Lift up the negative, and we slide it in like that. Here is the nut for the negative connection, and we slide it in to approximately the right position, and we put it in, and we're going to screw it down. And we screw down the negative screw, bolt, whatever you want to call it. There we go. Stop the. Alright, so the cover's back in position. So now I can put this plastic cover back on in position. So it's just 2 screws. One goes in there, like that, and we just spin it up. Yep. That one, not all the way tight. It's normal when they this one, You can see that there's a service light there, and starts up, no problem.